How's it from Lagos, guys? It is now 12:15 in the afternoon. We've just come back from a just over 2-hour paddle. We did 6.24 kilometers right along the coast, exploring all the caves along the coastline. Yeah, we've got some epic footage. I hope that the camera footage does it justice, because it is incredible, absolutely mind-boggling. Just how beautiful it is. Word of advice there: if you ever do come and paddle, do it as early as you can. To miss the crowd, so you can get parking where we're parked up. But most importantly, the wind picks up after 1 o'clock in Portugal and becomes almost near impossible to paddle. You see a lot of kite surfers and that go out after that time. But more importantly, where we are at the moment, there's a lot of little tourist boats, sort of little fishing boat kind boats that they hate us. They hate the paddlers. They hate anybody basically who's not paid their money to go on their tour, even those who have paid for paddle boards or kayak tours through tour operators, and they'll purposely come in where you are in the bay and really rev their engines and try and knock you off. But watch the footage. We're going to go off, get something to eat, because we're absolutely famished. We'll catch you on the next one. Well, I know I said we're going to get some lunch or a bite to eat, but actually I think what we're going to try and get is a full English breakfast. But we're on the hunt with Google Maps. Yeah, very English of us to have a full English at lunchtime. So one, trying to find a full English is a mission on its own, but two, whether it's an all day, you'll have to wait and see if we succeed. Winner chicken dinner. What you got there after your paddle? That is not a post-paddle drink. Spit the G, spit the G. Oh, no.
Not doing that again after Paddy's Day, ever.
Morning, folks. So after a very quiet night in the middle of nowhere, we are just on our way to go and do our laundry. So we're living the dream. But we are going to share some news with you once we've done that, so stay tuned. Say morning, Shauno.
Morning, Shauno.
Anyway, we will catch up with you shortly. All right, bye. That's the chores all done. The washing's all sorted and put away, apart from the bits that's drying. So Sean and I have managed to get ourselves a yellow Portugal passport. This is very sought after for those that live over here and want to complete the route of 739 kilometres. So it's through central of Portugal, is it? The centre?
Yeah, so basically it's as Lisa said, it's a 739 kilometre journey from up north in Chaves, and it goes all the way down to Faro in the south, and you sort of go through the heartland of Portugal, so to speak. So we're moving away from the coast, and as Lisa said, the N2 is, from what we can gather, is everybody's motorhoming place to go, their equivalent in Portugal, I suppose, of the NC500.
I'd say so, yeah. Lots of cyclists do it as well, and motorbikes, don't they?
Yeah, and typical us, you normally start up north and then you go south, but because the way we came into Portugal from the south,
opposite way.
typical us, we're doing it the opposite way, so you can't, I don't know if you can quite see it, but that's sort of, there's the little map there of where we're going. It takes you through, I believe it's 35 different municipalities. I think there's about 4 UNESCO heritage sites that we'll be able to go see, so it's something completely different. But don't worry, we've also then looked at the route and we found some places that we can go paddle boarding. We might hook a left when we sort of get parallel with Lisbon. There's a couple of places we want to try there, so although we're doing the route, we're not quite going to stick to it. We're going to tweak it a bit and just head off. You could probably do it in 11 hours straight. We're just going to take our time. We're looking to do about a week, I'd say, week and a half.
And then you also, when you get to the stops that are listed on the back, you can get it stamped. So it's not even like a normal passport where nobody stamps you. You can go through any border. You can actually get this one stamped, so I am super excited about that. Really excited.
So that's what we're doing now. So as Liz said, finish the chores for the day. We're going to hop on the road and head to our first destination, which is, excuse me 1 second, I bet I can't pronounce it. Yeah, I can't pronounce it. São Brada al Portal.
Oh,
my Portuguese.
Anyway.
All right, catch you on the flip side.
Bye. So we've just arrived in the city of Lille, is it called?
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
To go and get the third stamp for our book. So we're just going to take a look around and see what this place has got to offer. So good afternoon. We have just stopped to grab some lunch. I think Sean's sat in there having his on his little perch. So at the moment we are in, where are we?
Castro Verde.
Castro Verde. We're going to take a walk up there, find the location where we can get our passport stamped, get that done, and have a bit of a walk around. We'll probably head on to the next one, because yesterday we were able to do, I think, three stamps, because they were so relatively close together, and we like to do around about an hour and a half drive every day. So yeah, we got those stamped, as you can see. So yeah, we're going to take a walk up and see what this place has got to offer.
How's it, guys? We're in Carucci, I believe it's called. We just stopped off to get another stamp for the N2 down by the fire station. We just want to show you this little place that we saw as we came in, because you see these all over Portugal, and they're quite cool actually. We're right on the river here. But what these guys do is, I don't know if it's man-made or not, but they seem to have a beach. I don't know if you can pick it up, but there seems to be a beach. And you see these quite often. As I say, all along Portugal, you've got these places where you can go swimming, potentially paddleboarding. I don't know if you can paddleboard yet. But we just thought we'd show you because it's really quirky and I really like what they've done. What do you think?
Yeah, I like it. Really hot today though.
Very hot. So we're on to the next place. We haven't had much footage recently. Definitely not yesterday. It was so hot. We just drove a bit and stayed in the van where the air conditioning was and chilled out. But yeah, we're going on to the next place and see if we can get another stamp. This paddle is so unique. It just feels like we're in a completely different time. I'm half expecting dinosaurs or something to come up. Actually, in all fairness, the colour of this water, I'm really surprised if a crocodile came up, but let's not wish for something like that. But absolutely stunning. Nobody, just me and Lisa paddleboarding. Look at it. That's it, tea's done, all the dishes washed, put away. We watched the sunset go down. I'm just finishing my last brewski before I call it a night. Lisa's already gone to bed. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I've seen what we've done in the past week. If you'd like us to do another one and carry on doing it, please give us a thumbs up or a like or a subscribe, whatever it is you do on YouTube. But yeah, and hopefully we'll make some more video, and let us know what you want us to do. Leave it in the comments, or you all know us, message us. Do you want more of us talking? Do you want more music? Do you want less of us talking? So just throw it out there. Be kind, be gentle. It's our first time. But yeah, we'll show you around in the morning. We carry on with the N2 tomorrow. We might have a quick walk around of this nice little spot where we're staying. We'll show you tomorrow, really. Tell you the price afterwards and just show you how cheap things can be in Portugal. So have a good evening. I'll catch you on the next one.